So, remember this area right here? Well, guess what? This is where Rolla's newest tornado siren is. There it is. An FS 2001-130. It works and stuff. It's all hooked up and it went off like a few times on the monthly test. Well, I got some bad news. The Thunderbolt that used to be the Thunderbolt that stood right there is no more. Here, I'm going to show you so I can prove that it's gone. So, this is where it was. See all the hay, all this straw, and all that for the grass to grow. Yet that's proof that Rolla has removed the siren. I don't know if it's in a junkyard or it's been destroyed, or it's being used somewhere else. I have no idea, but it's no longer here. They even broke the concrete that held the siren, that where the siren stood on. They just broke it and just put the straw here. It's like it never existed. That sucks. I really hate that. See, that was my biggest fear when it came to this new tornado siren. It was way too close to this Thunderbolt, so I already know that was going to get replaced. I just didn't want it to happen. So yeah, that's a quick update of the newest tornado siren Rolla. See you guys later. Bye. It's not the end of the video yet. I just wanted to show everything. So the Thunderbolt is dead. That sucks really much. I hate that. And they even removed the concrete slab that the siren stood on. That really just made me so mad. Another Thunderbolt tornado siren on Kings Highway down here has been removed as well, around the same time as this one. Thanks to this siren here, we lost a Thunderbolt. We lost two, and the second one that's been removed hasn't even been replaced. Holy crap. I hate this. We got a Model 5 down here as well at a trailer park. But the trailer park has been abandoned. So I have no idea if the Model 5 is still active or it's been deactivated or it's inactive, or it's just been taken down altogether. I really hope not, because I already know that siren's not going to be replaced. So there's that. Here's a view of where I am. So yeah, that sucks. So this here is the end of the video. See you guys later. Bye.